Hey everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am excited to be back with Catherine. You guys know her of Toll Brothers, and we are in her beautiful model here in Reflections at Seabrook. And that's where you're going to find Catherine, and she's going to talk about this beautiful model and all that Toll has to offer at both Reflections and Seabrook Village. So thanks for having us.
Oh, thanks for coming, Heather, and welcome everybody. Here we are at our Caspian coastal model here in Reflections. Please come on in.
I love the height of the ceilings as we walk in. So tell us about this home, Catherine.
So this is our Caspian coastal. It's 2,900 square feet. We have 10-foot ceilings on the first floor and 9-foot on the second. So we have a 19-foot gorgeous entryway as you come into this home. As we step to the right here, this is our guest suite or fourth bedroom, where we have a walk-in closet and our third bathroom of the home, which is a full bath with a linen closet as well as a walk-in shower.
I love this space, and I do love that you have this on the first floor. So also when people are visiting or you have your parents visiting, older people, they don't need to go up and down the stairs. You have this space on the first floor. And Carly, can we actually go to the right, or excuse me, the left? Because this is something that I love that Toll did. So when she goes to the very end of this, you've got another flex space, but it's an office. So you've got an office on the first floor.
Yes, absolutely. You can make this space, it's a flex. It could either be an office or a bedroom. So we do have quick move-ins available in Reflections as well as Seabrook. And we do have the Caspian model available for our customers.
And what's great is what Carly was showing, because, you know, Catherine has it set up, you know, with her sales stuff. But this could be your drop zone. So if this is a quick move-in, you know, you can build it however you want, but a great drop zone coming off of a huge, huge 2-car, but with a giant, I say tandem, but
yes,
golf
storage
cart.
Space. Yes.
I mean, you could put your kayak, canoe, paddleboard, golf cart, toolbox, you name it, you could put it in that space. So when you come visit Catherine at this particular model in Reflections at Seabrook, make sure you check out the space in the garage. So now look at this area.
Yes,
wow.
Now this is our showstopper great room, where you see the beautiful stack cabinets, all the beautiful brass accents, our 10-foot ceiling, our long windows allowing in a lot of natural light, our triple sliders here, which will be your entryway into the possibilities for your outdoor living area. We have an oversized pantry in here.
Oh, let me open this, Carly, because this is great. So again, Catherine and Toll Brothers, they're just showing you, here's an example, something you can do in that pantry space besides the normal just wire racks. Absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
And then the cabinets to the ceiling.
Our waterfall quartz oversized.
Oh, yeah, get this, Carly. This is beautiful.
Also, the quartz
oh, the backsplash.
It continues up. Yes. Is so gorgeous.
And the double ovens. We've got at one end. You still have a microwave, by the way. It's way on the other side. So again, as you're watching this video, you will have seen that. Reflections at Seabrook and Seabrook Village. The entire, actually, Seabrook collection is a gas community. So you can have a gas fireplace, you could have a gas outside with your grill. Of course, you have your cooktop is a gas. So that is something that a lot of residents love.
Yes.
And look at this. Again, things you can do outside. I would love this. I'll take it. I'll take it, Catherine.
Yes.
But it's just terrific. And one day this model will be for sale. Side note, everybody. So if you're watching this video, just put your name on the list now. Behind Catherine. She's buying it.
Yes.
Oh, Catherine. But this home just calls for great entertaining, the way it's laid out. and just great storage, which you're going to see in a moment, but it's carried throughout this entire home. So Toll Brothers, you did a great job with this floor plan.
Yes.
But when we talk about storage, Catherine, go ahead and open
Yes.
this door.
So this is our under-stair storage, which not only goes straight ahead, but it actually goes all the way around.
Carlene, go. Go, Carlene, go.
And we have heard customers have a lot of possibilities with this space. Even I've heard people could make it a little office, a Harry Potter room. People have said they put lights for a princess room.
No, but you really can because of the height of the ceilings. And I want to remind people that is one of the things Toll Brothers, since the beginning, and Toll Brothers has been a part of the Nocatee family for 18 years, since the very beginning, but that is something that they have always been known for, is the height of their ceilings and making even their smallest square footage home feel large.
Absolutely. You know, even though this is 2,900 square feet, it does feel
It
much
feels
larger than this.
Feels much larger, but this is a perfect size. And when you talk to Catherine, you know, ask her what quick move-ins do we have available, what new construction, if you do want to build from the ground up, because you're really looking maybe a year from now. And Catherine will be able to show you the available lots that Toll Brothers has in both Reflections and Seabrook Village.
Absolutely. We have quick move-ins as well as build-to-order homes, so we can accommodate different time frames. And I just want to make a note on our our quick move-in homes. We do have designer interior options, so it's not like you're getting anything less on those quick move-ins than what you're seeing here. So here are our 2 bedrooms that you're looking at right up here, with the laundry room, the second bathroom, full bath.
Okay, the laundry room, thank you, Toll Brothers. It's a big laundry room. And these bedrooms, I love how everything, so the living space for the homeowners are on the second floor. So also,
Yes.
when you're entertaining, you're not, clean your room, you know, put this away. You basically
Yes.
could entertain on the first floor, but then everything living is up here. But also
Large
in saying
linen
entertaining,
closet.
you know, you go to Nocatee's Food Truck Fridays, you go to one of the concerts that Nocatee has over by the Splash and Spray water parks, and maybe you want to go to bed when you come home, but your significant other wants to stay awake. Guess what? Put them on the first floor. It's great.
Yeah.
And with that extra bedroom,
Yes.
sleep on the first floor.
Yes.
But again, that layout of this home is spectacular. Look at the beams. So are the beams something, if somebody was building from the ground
Yes.
up, y'all could
Yes,
put in?
correct. Yes.
Love it.
Tray ceiling as well as the beams would be a structural option chosen on a build to order. This is our very large primary suite, obviously, which connects to
Look at that.
the full bath that has the expanded primary shower, as well as a very large walk-in closet.
Okay, very large.
Yes.
Catherine's not giving it the justice it deserves. You guys, this is spectacular. And the colors that the Toll Brothers Design Center chose for the model home, it really does feel like that spa feel. And it's just beautiful. So imagine you can have this home this year, be here in Nocatee before summer. You could be here for the school year if you do have kids. I mean, guys, quick move-ins, Toll Brothers, the way to go if you want to be here now. And you've got to call Catherine. But this particular floor plan, the Caspian, absolutely incredible. Look at this space. I love the angles.
Great loft space.
Every angle that Toll Brothers has done, just outstanding, lots of natural light. And again, we're at Reflections at Seabrook and golf cart path. So if you do live in Reflections, you will be able to, right down Model Home Row, connect to the Greenway Trail, and then you will be at the Splash and Spray water parks very quickly. Come here, Catherine.
Yes.
So call Catherine today. Go to Nocatee.com, click on the neighborhood tab, scroll down. You're going to see Reflections in Seabrook Village and all that Toll Brothers has to offer.
Yes, and come soon. We have awesome incentives that we can offer you to come and get in your beautiful new Toll Brothers home.
That's right. So if you're looking at a resale, look at our quick move-ins now.
Yes.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.